Delmarva Power, as part of Exelon, is very committed to helping the environment. As you can see out here today, we're out here at the Christina River cleanup. A lot of support from the company. Several employees are out here cleaning up the area to keep this area clean.
There's many families here today from Delmarva that have brought their children, and it looks like their mothers and fathers along to help with the cleaning of the area. And to me, it really makes me happy to see that there's mixed generations that are taking part in this cleanup.
We were just out here digging through dirt, and we were pulling up tons of pieces of plastic, like plastic straws, rubber stuff, and it's crazy, like the things that we just walk by every day.
If we don't do our part to keep the rivers and the watersheds clean, then our children are not going to have that. It's going to be polluted. And so for me, I think it's really important that we take a stand today and that we start to preserve what we have so that future generations can enjoy it the same as we are today.
Hi, I'm Bob.
And I'm Diane.
And we power a cleaner and brighter future.